Hello viewer, the Asus has been announced the new flagship smartphone Asus Zenfone 10. The Zenfone 10 is the smallest flagship smartphone. This smartphone is also known Asus Zenfone 10s. The display of this smartphone 5.9 inch Super AMOLED. The refresh rate of the display of this smartphone 144 has atr 10+. The display brightness of the display of this smartphone 800 nits HBM and the 1100 nits peak. The screen-to-body ratio of the display of this smartphone 84.4%. The resolution of the display of this smartphone 1080 by 2400 pixel. 445 ppi density of the display of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the protection of the display of this smartphone Corning Gorilla Glass Vectors. Always on display 144 has only available in the supported games. The operating system of this smartphone Android 13. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm SNM8550AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 24nm. CPU octa-core and the GPU Adreno 740. The memory of this smartphone card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are dual camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone LED HDR and panorama. Now I am telling about the video of the main camera of this smartphone 8K into 24 fps, 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p in 30 and 60 Grio EIS HDR. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 tri-band Wi-Fi direct. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.38 dp. NFC is available but the FM radio is not available of this smartphone. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. The battery of this smartphone 4300 non-removable. The charging wire of this smartphone 30W. The 15W wireless after this smartphone. 5W reverse wireless after this smartphone. There are a different color are available after this smartphone. The 5G technology is available after this smartphone. The dual SIM slot is available after this smartphone, nano SIM and dual standby. IP68 dust water resistor up to 1.5 minutes for 30 minutes. There are a different price are available after this smartphone. The line date was announced after this smartphone 29 June 2023. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe a channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.